Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and we are speaking about the latest episode of Uthando Nesthembu. Now guys, episode 1 is basically a recap, not a recap, something like a reunion of Uthando Nesthembu, right, of season 7. But one thing we see uMusa going emathuneni to go and see uGogo Flo. Guys, he's basically telling uGogo Flo ukuthi bengicela ukuthi ungenelele uthambise inhliziyo of these women. Guys, he mentions them one by one, ababize ngamagama ukuthi lo wenza lo wenza le, lo wenza le, izinto ezinjalo. I'm just like, hayibo Musa Msele, izigaxa ezingaka emathuneni. Imagine. Anyway guys, let's get to what he says about uMayeni, guys. He tells uGogo Flo ukuthi uMayeni phela sithi mangabe simtshela ukuthi yena uMayeni fanele she needs to have a way yokuphilisana, that she needs to live in harmony with the other wives. Avele adube, athathe izinto zakhe, ahambe aye kubo, ashiye nengane. Guys, they put like not a reminder, but like something like a notification on the screen saying that in February 2024, uMayeni decided to leave. uMusa says the reason why uMayeni left is that number one, uMayeni, she's too sensitive, and she's sensitive over indaba zomsebenzi. Remember, uMayeni, guys, last season she was going through therapy, and she was saying that people at work were actually ill-treating her. Because of who she is, like because she's a celeb and because she's a celeb, people are ill-treating at work. So uMusa says this thing yasemsebenzini imphathe kabi kakhulu, to a point that she's sensitive. Manje meka sensitive, noba mukhulunya into encane, uMayeni uyenza into enkulu. She makes it to be something that is bigger than what it actually is. So he says that we fought over indaba yokuthi akavulela inhliziyo yakhe to the other wives so that babe nokuphilisana. Now guys, this thing, I'm just like, I get it, but at the same time I'm just like, Mayeni ngiyaxolisa, ngiyakujaja or ngiyakujaja. One thing, guys, when you are, because uMusa does say ukuthi she left the kids. Now, some people will say ukuthi uMusa, did he not say ukuthi bahambayo kodwa bashiya ingane zabo? Guys, I know ukuthi we go through different situations, but indaba yokuhamba, I am against it, especially mawushadile. When you are a newly wedded wife, like I get it, you don't get some things, uyatuba, uyahamba, but when ushade iminyaka emingaka, I don't expect such things coming from you. But at the same time, I get it, because uMusa says it's not into ayijwayele, so it's not something uMayeni oftenly does, but she did it this time, and it could be for the fact that, guys, it was just getting too much for her. But there's one thing I want us to be honest about, guys, and I know Mayeni fans, you guys are gonna come for me, but one thing you guys must know about me, listen, I love all of these wives, uMayeni, uMaphumalo, and uMangwabe. I love all of them, and there's things that I also don't like about them, and probably wife number 5, naye engizomthanda. But one thing I feel like uMusa really has, that I agree with him, guys, when it comes to Mayeni. I feel like uMayeni does need to open up her heart to the rest of the other wives. Angifuni ukuqamba amanga. uMayeni, if we be honest, guys, she does kind of give cold vibes to the other wives. Sometimes she can be there sitting with them, but it's like she's very cold towards them. And uMusa saying that, listen, this is your life. Open up your hearts to them, and eventually sometimes you will see ukuthi like people are not as bad as you think they are. So I feel like uMayeni angazi ukuthi maybe ama grudges anawo, or if these wives hurt her so much in the past that she can't get over it. But I feel like out of all the wives, uMayeni is that one wife that's inhliziyo yakhe, I feel like has not accepted the fact that she has abomnabwabo. And I don't know if that is because, kahle guys, out of all of these people, she is uMusa's number 1 girlfriend. She met uMusa first amongst all of these women. There was a time where she was saying ukuthi kahle things were not supposed to be like this. Things were supposed to be me and Umusa was it and then we did not see eye to eye sahlukana, and then things happened the way they happened. So I am questioning myself, does she still have some sort of anger for the way things turned out, for the fact that she's even wife number 2, or for the fact that she's even in the situation? Because if Umusa just was I don't know, if he was just a one-man woman, he would have got married to Umayeni and they would have lived happily ever after. And now she's in a situation where, guys, unzima nje. But anyway, ugogo Flo uzwe zonke, guys, and let's hope ukuthi in this season, even though I doubt, let's hope in this season we see a change of heart of Umayeni just opening up her heart a little bit to the other wives, guys. I mean, Utobile, guys, I feel like all of the other wives can learn something from Utobile. I feel like most of the wives, which is Umatele and Umayeni, have ill-treated Umakhumalo. But Umakhumalo always humbles herself, guys. Abavuleli inhliziyo, tries to be nice to them, like abantende and stuff like that. I feel like, despite, if there's anyone who should have the biggest grudge here when it comes to treatment, should be Utobile, but Utobile is still there, so they need to take a thing or two or learn a thing or two from Utobile, even though they criticize Utria Papa nan. Anyway, guys, let's park it right there because we'll speak about the rest of the things in different videos. Tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe, guys. It is absolutely for free of charge. Please do make sure that you do not skip the ads, guys. It's just your way of showing support towards this channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one.